How to multiply bleach using salt. Secret of the laundries revealed. Come with me and I will teach you this fabulous secret. But first, let me know the city where you are watching this video. To begin, add 5 liters of water to a large bowl or container. The water is to be at room temperature. Next we will add 500 grams of salt. Since the bag is 1 kilo, I'll go by eye anyway. I'll put half of the packet. There, perfect. Let's mix it very well. It's very worthwhile to make this recipe at home. Now that I've mixed it, I'm going to add 1 liter of bleach with active chlorine. It can be any brand you want. Mix it again. The good thing is that this recipe is super quick to prepare. And to finish, we are going to put here 2 full spoons of baking soda. That's right, folks. This recipe is